Success doesn't come from comfort. It comes from pushing through the pain, staying relentless when others quit. You have to dominate every day, no excuses, no hesitation. The world doesn't owe you anything, but it will reward you if you earn it. Focus, hustle, win. Every morning is a battle. You can either stay in bed and let life pass you by, or you can rise. Fight and take what's yours. The weak stay asleep. The strong get up and conquer. It's your choice. Are you ready to rise above the noise? Think a $5 coffee is harmless? Let's break down the real cost. $5 per coffee doesn't seem like much, but what if you buy one every day? $5 times 30 days equals $150 per month. $150 times 12 months equals $1,800 per year. Now let's take it further. Invest that $1,800 in an S&P 500 index fund with a 10% return. In 10 years, that's over $30,000. Is that daily coffee really worth the price of a new car or vacation? Would you rather have coffee or cash? Comment below and follow for smarter money moves. Struggling to manage your money? Here's a simple rule that makes budgeting effortless. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% goes to savings and investments. By following this, you'll never wonder where your money went again. Want more money tips like this? Follow for smart financial moves. These 3 money habits are secretly keeping you broke. Fix them now. Number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Without tracking your spending, you'll always feel broke. Number 2, not investing early. Every year you wait, you lose thousands in potential returns. Number 3, impulse spending. That small $5 coffee habit, it's over $1,800 a year. Which one are you guilty of? Comment below and let's build wealth together. Most people can't handle a $500 emergency. Not because they're broke, but because they were never taught how to manage money. Let's be real. Saving sounds easy, but life hits hard. Bills stack up, motivation disappears, and you fall right back into the same cycle. Want to break it? Start small. Track your spending for 7 days, every coffee, every swipe. Then automate $1 a day into savings. It's not about the amount. It's about building discipline. Add 1 habit. Read 10 pages. Listen to 5 minutes of something that feeds your brain. Do it every day. Stack those wins. Money and motivation are a loop. The better your mindset, the better your money. The better your money, the stronger your mindset. Want to be the 1%? Start acting like it. Comment level up if you're ready to take control. Follow for more no BS money plus motivation tips.